Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to do again a Myntra haul, and this time there are some tops and maxi skirts. I'm actually very obsessed with maxi skirts nowadays. I really wanted to try it, so here we are and do a try and haul. And before we start the video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. And yeah, now just finally start the video. So we'll move on to the first top first, and this is the top. It's from the brand called Athenia, and I got it the size L, which is, I think I got this around 700 some. I will mention the price on the screen. And this is kind of a crop top which is not very short and long. This is a perfect length, and I really liked it how it fits my body. I got in the size L, so it's a nice flexible top. I don't think you will have a size issue with this. Look at the hands, it's just kind of a butterfly. You will feel very fresh in this color. It's just lovely pattern. And yeah, I think you can pair with this white maxi skirt or off-white pant or white pants. This definitely will create a good combination with the white color. And yeah, I will highly recommend this. Try this once, you will not regret it. And that's it. We'll move on to the next one. And this is the next top. It's kind of like a very mauvey pink. It's kind of a nude pink in real life. But it's so cute color. It's just kind of a pink nude. And look at this kind of top. It has like a very puffy hands, and it's so beautiful. You can just wear it as an off shoulder, or you can just go up. And I got in the size L, which is a little loose for me, and because I really don't like the fitted one, so this is perfect size for me. And this is the brand called Here and Now, and you will have a zip at the back side, which is perfect, so there won't be any size issue in this again. And it's just a cute pattern. Top is really amazing. This gives me like a birthday girl vibes, you know. And I'm actually having one maxi skirt which I'm going to try with this. You can see the overall look how it is, and it's so pretty. So this is also kind of affordable, because these kind of crop tops are almost around 500 or 600 700 on Myntra, and it's just so cute. Just try this once, and you can definitely return if you don't like it, but this is my favorite top. This is also kind of a butterfly while I'm feeling. What is this top? It's so cute. I just can't wait to try this and show you the overall look. So we'll move on to the next one. So this is a very basic top, and it's a square neck which suits my body type. And my shoulders are really broad, and my shoulders are really broad. And my shoulders this kind of same quality is also in Agio, the brand called Fig. So that's the same quality. It's just basic top. Yeah, you can just style it in so many ways, and it's in the size L. Okay, it's from the brand called Based, I don't know how to pronounce. So yeah, the quality is great only, not bad. That's it. Now this is a maxi skirt. You can just observe the pattern. It's a floral print, and so good colors are added. You can go with yellow, pink or green top. It's just perfect. You can create a very summer spring look with this maxi skirt. Quality is really good. It's kind of like a rayon or crepe material. This skirt is very lightweight and very comfortable. Definitely a big hit. And I'm in the size 30, and this also fits me very good. So this is a perfect length also. I really want to try the orange over this. It will look very good combination. Perfect. So this is the last one. Okay, it's again a maxi skirt, and this is the brand called Tavi, which is again in the 30 size, and it fits me very well. So airy. I just love the pattern also. It's called Kalankari, right? If you're traveling to such places, try this skirt once. You will like it. I think I'm very confused to decide which is my favorite. I think you should definitely go with this maxi skirts, and you can create amazing looks. And also this top, it's kind of a birthday top. Okay, and the green one which I showed you earlier, it's also very pretty. I think I really like all of them in this haul, and I hope you also liked at least one out of this haul. So that's it. We have come to the end of this video, and I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. And also you can let me know what trend is going on in the comments so that I will work on it and I'll do try-ons. You can just create your outfits out of this haul and I'll be very happy to know that. And yeah, you can follow me on Instagram, and that's it. I will see you next time. Bye.